In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can emote with a sidekick here in Fortnite. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process really is super simple. What you need to do is obviously first equip the sidekick. So from the main menu, go ahead and go over to the locker, and then of course scroll down on this left hand sidebar until you see sidekicks. Open this up and then go ahead and equip one. Now obviously there's just the pet back bling essentially in your locker. Choose whatever one you want. For example, we'll do this one right here. Make sure it's customized. You can only do this once, so make sure you do customize it the way that you actually want. After you go ahead and customize it, lock it in, equip it, join a match, and whatever you land, your sidekick is actually going to spawn next to you and follow you around. Simply open up your emote wheel, use any emote, and your sidekick will react and usually dance with you. You can also use the pet interaction menu just by opening up your emote and selecting the pet interaction emote to interact with it directly, aka you're just going to pet it. But that really is it. Just essentially do an emote, and of course, your pet will emote with you. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.